DRONEI's annual report ranking the top service providers and drone delivery players is out, evaluating companies based on company size and growth, public interest and media coverage, and financial data. The listing highlights individual companies, and also highlights the regions where commercial drones are taking off. The top drone service providers 2023. In the report, drone service providers are referred to as remote sensing service providers. These are companies that serve a wide variety of enterprise customers, including power companies, oil and gas, infrastructure and agriculture. This year, Malaysian company Aerodyne Group once again tops the list. Founded in 2014, Aerodyne Group currently has over 1,000 employees and reports between $65–70 million in revenues. With a global client base, Aerodyne boasts an impressive history of drone-based inspections and aerial sensing. Japan's Terra drone ranks second, with the UK's Cyberhawk coming in third. Norway's Nordic Unmanned and Field Group hold the fourth and fifth positions. While all of the companies have an international presence, some with offices based in the US, Europe has a clear lead in the sector. The top drone delivery providers. In drone delivery, US-based medical logistics pioneer Zipline dominates the ranking. Starting with services in Rwanda, the company has flown more than 31 million miles and delivered nearly 8.0 million products, says DRONEII. Founded in 2014, Zipline has a team of more than 1,000 employees and generates between $30–35 million in revenue. Google spin-off Wing is second, while Matternet partners with logistics giant UPS and an industry leader in getting groundbreaking regulatory waivers, is third. Australia's Swoop Aero and Ireland's Mana Drone Delivery take the fourth and fifth spots respectively, while US-based companies take the first three spots in the rankings of drone delivery providers. The majority of services are still provided overseas while the US wrestles with regulation that will allow services and delivery at scale. Zipline has begun commercial drone delivery in the US but has performed the bulk of their services on the African continent. Wing also has significant trials in the US, but has launched programs at scale in Australia.